New speed tests for the iPhone XS are out, and it can sure hang out with the best, but not really beat them. Some renders of the OnePlus 6T have just emerged, and really, there are no secrets left here. And for those of you that want to pre-order the BlackBerry KEY2 LE, it is finally up. I'm Jaime Rivera, and waking up early in the morning filming this video because I have a crazy day of things I have to see is awesome. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by Swappa. The official news today begin with deals to a certain degree for those of you that are looking to buy yourself a BlackBerry but struggle to buy the KEY2 because it's too expensive. The KEY2 LE is now available for pre-orders on Amazon for $450. Definitely a watered down version of the KEY2, and we're still waiting on our unit to tell you if we recommend it or not, but you can learn more about it in the description. Now let's talk about rumors of the Samsung Galaxy S10 as we get more information on the camera specifications from, I don't know if we could call them trusted sources or not, but it turns out that the primary camera might be the same one that we currently have, variable aperture and 12 megapixels, and then we've got two more, a 16 megapixel f1.9 aperture wide angle and a 13 megapixel f2.4 telephoto. What are the plans for the cameras and the array and the design is hard to tell, or if all phones are getting it also, but hey, sounds cool so far. Now let's talk about Google, as there are some leaks of a new smart TV feature. If we could call it a feature, because it's literally just the Google Home Mini and the Chromecast that are going to be bundled as part of some sort of a deal or a project that the company is working on that we might be getting soon. The rumors claim that this is going to be launched in Walmart exclusively, so I don't have my hopes into this being anything awesome, but still, we're close to the Google event, so we'll see what we get. Now let's talk about the OnePlus 6T. Oh my god, I don't know how many more renders we can take about this phone. Definitely the second most leaked phone of the year. We see the teardrop design and final renders, and it looks legit. It looks literally like the OnePlus 6 in the back without a fingerprint scanner, which could just be a Photoshop job as well, you never know. But then the front obviously looks like the Oppo F9 with the teardrop design and everything. Looks really cool. Definitely we're close to a possible event. We're still waiting on those dates. I'll keep you posted. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with iPhones. The iPhone XS doesn't seem to be as great when it comes to gigabit LTE speeds. And the funny part is I'm saying this right now and I've actually already tested it. I'm currently working on a video to show it to you. It was asked. It's actually not that sort of a video, more of a comparison where yes, we take an iPhone X, an iPhone XS, and a Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And yes, the iPhone XS beats the iPhone X, but then the Galaxy Note 9 just annihilates everything, just destroys it very badly, up to the point where it makes me wonder, I mean, like seriously, Apple, are Intel modems making you look good or not? I'd say they're making you look really bad, but let us know in the comments down below, what do you think? I mean, do you think that it's worth to pay $1,000+ for a phone that won't give you the best data speeds? Because in my opinion, no. Leave us a comment down below, we'd love to know yours. And folks, we would like to thank our sponsor, Swappa, for making this video possible. Now that the new iPhones are out, Apple has discontinued some of our favorite models like the iPhone X, iPhone 6s Plus, and the iPhone SE. You can still get these phones in a gently used condition over at Swappa. Check out the link in the description below to learn more about what makes Swappa so cool with their discontinued offerings for iPhones. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.